Welcome to Desi Dhaba friends. Today we are making fried chicken and we need 250 grams of boneless chicken, ginger garlic paste, curry leaf, coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala, and we need some cumin powder. We will add 3 tablespoons of yogurt and we will add 2 tablespoons of besan flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. We will add some lime juice, 1 tablespoon. Then we add 1 tablespoon of salt according to taste. Mix well until marinate. Then we marinate it for 1 hour. Then we heat up the oil in a medium flame and we will put the chicken inside to the oil. Please remember, maintain medium flame so the chicken will cook evenly, and we will flip upside down the chicken. And we will fry until it getting golden brown and crispy. You will see the color. We will fry all the remaining chicken same like before. We flip it evenly so it can cook properly. Thank you for watching.